let's see. So far, I'm so happy with the result. Wala akong wobble na nararamdaman or anything. Tingnan natin, uli. Yeah. Walang wobble. Woo! Masaya, walang wobble. And now, let's see. Lakas ng hangin.
Yep, that's normal because this has a screw on it. Okay, let's run. Hello mga Kaskudbang. So good morning to everyone. Okay, happy Wednesday again. Yes, morning po. It's 7:28 a.m. So very early today. And again, good morning. Alright, so what's up everyone? So I got this new camera setup. So let me know guys if you think it's good. Okay ba? Apa maganda? Sana maganda naman mga Kaskudbang. Sana maganda. Especially the audio. Because again, what I'm doing here is testing some audio setup as well. Right? So sana malinaw ang ating audio. So ano nga ba? Okay, so ano nga ba? Topic natin for today, right? Pero contact tayo ng testing. So testing basically after doing something. Okay, so ano nga ba? Wobble. Okay. Last time I got this issue about ADV 150 wobble, right? So I'm not sure if this is really common. Pero now I got some fix and solution na titingnan natin kung talagang epektibo. Okay, tingnan natin. Hindi ko alam kung epektibo talaga. So, we're gonna do some testing. Tapos later on, tingnan natin. If it's really effective, then we can conclude na na-resolve yung issue, di ba? Then siguro later on, sabihin ko rin kung ano yung mga possible causes na tinignan ko para ma-resolve yung issue. Alright? 40 to 50 kph, mapapansin ko nagwa-wobble siya. Okay, so now tingnan natin mga Kaskudbang. Napaka-importante nito sa akin kasi again, yung pag-wobble, makikita natin yung stability ng isang motorsiklo, okay? Lalo na kung sa low speed pa lang meron na tayong wobble, how much more nasa high speed na, di ba? So yan yung importante. Alright, ito, off-roading tayo. Woo! Woohoo! Woo! Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo! Mga Kaskudbang, so saan nga ba to? There you go. Ayan. So actually maganda dito, couple of meters away, siguro couple of kilometers away from my place. Okay. Ayan, vlogging issue tayo mga Kaskudbang. Kanina pa ako nagva-vlog, kanina pa ako nagta-travel, pero unfortunately hindi pala nagre-recording or actually hindi maganda yung angle ng camera eh. So vlogging issue. Whew! Anyhow, nagpicture na lang ako dito. Para naman hindi sayang yung punta ko dito.
Hindi ko alam kung saan ako naputol mga Kaskudbang, pero let's do this again the second time around. Okay? So maraming salamat ulit sa pag-join sa akin mga Kaskudbang. And last time I got that issue, you're following my vlog, wobbly. Alright, yan, pakita ko yung video. Okay, so it's very common sa ADV users. Okay, I'm running 50, 58, 60. So far, napaka-stable po. Walang issue. Akong na-experience, hindi ko na-experience yung wobble kanina. Alright, yan, running 60. Just continue watching my video later on. I'm gonna show you what are the possible causes na pwede nyo ma-experience. Okay, running 75. Woo! Woohoo! Very good, very good. I was really having fun. Okay, so now, yan, 75, all good. Woohoo! So again, this is a brand new setup of mine. Okay, using GoPro, sana aligned with the horizon. Sana wala tayong issue, especially with the audio. Okay, first time ko rin i-set up. Kanina I was doing some top speed 111. I was able to clock 111. So nadagdagan po ng 1 km per hour yung aking previous top speed. 7 top speed gaming. Then okay, mga ka-Squidpack, so ano nga ba ang possible cost dito? Okay, but before I answer that, I wanna thank AV Moto, mga ka-Squidpack. Siguro naman kilala nyo yan, AV Moto. Okay, if not, search Facebook, their Facebook page. Ayan yung logo, pakita ko lang. YouTube, nagvo-vlog rin po to. Si Kuya Don yung may-ari. Okay, very accommodating person. I'm really happy. I reach out to these people, to Kuya Don, and dapat dadaling ko yung motor para sa kanya para ipa-check. Okay, but surprisingly, what he did, okay, binigyan niya ako ng checklist para gawin ko muna before bringing in the motorcycle to him. Who knows, right? Baka mamaya wala naman talaga issue yung motorsiklo, and this is a brand new bike, so very uncommon na magkaroon ng factory defect. If meron man, very slight yung chance na magkaroon. Alright, so I did the checklist, 3 checklist yung binigay niya sa akin para gawin ko, and surprisingly, ayun, it really resolves the issue. Hindi ko pa namimit si Kuya doon, na hindi ko pa napupuntahan yung shop, but nonetheless, very accommodating. Mabilis mag-reply, mabilis sumagot, mabilis tumulong, and yes, it helped me a lot to resolve the issue about the wobble of this scooter, of this ADV 150. Kaya tuloy tayo, mga ka-Squidpack. Yep, top speed gaming, full throttle. 10 11, yes, mga ka-Squidpack, 11 po. Woohoo! Come on, 11, 12, come on, 112, yep. Woohoo! Yeah! And this bike is really stable at speed. Yep. Ayan, very satisfying, running 70, very stable ho. At ito kinaganda, ayan, kalawakan ng Pampanga, very cool. Okay, check out yung AV Moto. Meron siyang vlog about wobble. So there, he explained thoroughly. Okay, very detailed po ang pagkaka-explain ni Kuya Don kung ano yung mga possible issue. Ang nabanggit niya sa akin, ADV 150 tsaka Click 125 ba, Honda Click. Okay, number 1, okay, yung post stem nut. Okay, sana tama yung term ko. Stem nut ng T-post, i-check, baka daw maluwag. Okay, second is double check nyo rin yung gulong, baka mamaya hindi tama yung kain ng gulong. So that's another possible issue. Third, actually, that resolved this issue. Okay, napakalaking bagay, napaka-importante, at napakasaya ko na na-resolve. Okay, so the problem was, okay, the problem is, okay, yung top box po. Okay, I'm using an aluminum top box. Malaki, 40 liters po yung top box ko. Definitely yung top box na aluminum mas mabigat yan compared sa mga plastic counterpart, di ba? Aside from the bulkiness of it, di ba, may wind drag po yan na kinakain. That might be one of the cause kung bakit hindi naging stable yung front. Okay, yung pagkaka sit in ng front tires sa kalsada, yan yung nagiging possible issue. So I just removed the top box, and yes, surprisingly, yun nga yung naging issue natin, yung nga yung cause, yun nga yung nagpapawobble nitong scooter natin na ADV 150. So sana makatulong to sa inyo, mga ka-Squidpack, lalo na yung mga may ADV 150. Again, hindi daw to limited sa ADV 150, hindi limited sa Click 125, but any other motorcycle out there. Sana nabigyan po kayo ng ideya, sana may natutunan kayo, at syempre sana makaresolve to if in case. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, mga ka-Squidpack. So sana
yep, share nyo mga Kaskud Pack. And again, shout out to AV Moto for helping out. Again, hindi po ako sponsored ni AV Moto. I just really appreciate yung goodness and honesty ng owner nito na si Don, and helping out other riders out there, right, who needs help. Hindi kailangan bayaran and all, but again, very accommodating in terms of helping others. Alright,